Hello, Kostas here, and I'm gonna show you to this short video how I'm gonna create content. I'm gonna create a full detailed review of let's try and create a full review of Human AI. Okay, uh, I'm gonna use Katteb. Um, I can even show you how I can create the review about um, Clips AI, but let's try to this one, to this particular video. I'm gonna focus to Human Power AI, and I'm gonna use Katteb. I want you to see this platform. It's an amazing platform. It has the Katteb writer. You see here, you can create any kind of content. It creates amazing and really focused content, and you have your preferences here. You can make it to be detailed. You can select the language that it's gonna focus. You have the Katteb chat that it's all the time evolving, and it becomes better and better. Um, it has great abilities, and you can create content easily. It works like ChatGPT, and it's really interesting how focused and concise it can become. You have the Katteb design, where you can create any kind of picture with a prompt, with a simple prompt. You see that you can just create one. You see that I created this one, cinematic image of a pretty lady with blue eyes, and it created this one. I have created even those with the WordPress, and they look really interesting. Let me show you here uh, what else you can create. You can create any kind of article. Uh, it has this article pro writer, and it's really amazing because you can create long form articles, and they can be really concise. They're SEO friendly, and it can easily produce the content, and at the same and the system can send this content straight to your WordPress website. Okay, it can you can request where exactly and to which category you want this content to land, and you're gonna have it straight to your WordPress website. Let me show you something more. Over here we have the article rewriter. You can rewrite any kind of article, and it's gonna make it to look to humanize, or because okay, we have even the humanizer, because it's something more concise and straight to this point about humanizing your content. And we have even the factual writer, that it's really a smart tool, because it's a tool that it can create content that it's really very concise and functional. It searches the web, and gets the correct information, and gives us offers the best possible content. Okay, we have even the very useful tool, the URL writer, because we can just paste the URL over here. We can produce a long form article, a Facebook post, a YouTube post. We can select the language, of course. We can change the language. We can select how many words we want this post to be when it's created. We can select the tone. Over here it's really interesting, because you can be happy, professional, optimistic, and it's really interesting. And we can select even the creativity, that it's really very important to this case. We have the RSS writer over here. You can just fetch from the RSS and produce post over here. You can just get the RSS from a website with news and just produce a new article. It's gonna recreate a news article and just get it straight to your website. We have the YouTube writer. Let me show you here, because you can select a video, YouTube tool, YouTube video, and it's gonna create a long article using this video. We have the Amazon writer. You can understand that this one it has to do with any kind of product that you're promoting, and you can just click and paste here the product that you want to describe or to promote, and it's gonna create you an amazing article. We have the knowledge base over here about working with this tool, with the terms and the inlinks. The knowledge base, it's you can create over here your own knowledge base. Okay, you can create even in links that they're gonna be used inside your articles in case you want to do so. The knowledge base, it can be used even when you want to create these links that when somebody hovers over a sentence or a phrase, and it's gonna provide you a lot of information inside your article. I believe that was illuminating. Okay, I'm gonna show you straight away what this tool can do. Let me just select Article Pro Writer over here, a tool that I really enjoy, and I'm gonna find Human Pal AI promo video. Okay, I'm gonna select here Human Pal IO. I want to see the new website that it's updated with the Human Pal version 2, and I'm gonna just use this robot and add this URL over here. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna ask now Katteb to create an honest and detailed, okay, and detailed review. So I just give the link and I write a small prompt over here. Okay, I'm gonna click start, and let me show you what is gonna happen. The next step with Katteb, it's to provide you some possible article titles that you would like to use. I can use this one, create an honest and detailed review, unleashing the power of Human Pal to an honest review, and Human Pal to expose the comprehensive review, the ultimate guide to Human Pal 2 unbiased review, behind the scenes of Human Pal 2 detailed analysis. I can just select any of those. I can select this one, Human Pal 2 unmasked, the good, the bad, and the impressive. This one, it looks really interesting. Let's try this one, or we can select any other of those. You see, all of them, they're really interesting for Human Pal article and article title, and I'm gonna go on with this one. Let's click suggest outline, and as you're gonna see here, the next step is to select how I'm gonna write. I just want to be excited. I want to write in first person, and over here I'm gonna give a SEO keyword to be Human Pal. Okay, and I guess 400 to 700 words is really nice to have it ranked in Google. And the next thing I'm gonna do is just click continue and move on. Okay. So you're gonna see here that to the next step, I have just to select here if it's gonna be detailed. I have this pre-selected, and I'm not gonna add images from Google Unsplash or Pexel. I'm gonna just create one image myself, and the last thing I'm gonna do is just to auto export. I'm gonna send um, this article straight to this website, to Affiliate Pal, and I want that to be, let me show you here, because it's searching for the author, and it's searching even for the categories. Here I'm gonna select that it's gonna be a review, and it's gonna go even to the latest news. It has to do with video creation, so I'm gonna select multi categories, and the last thing I'm gonna do is just to start writing. Trust me, this tool, it really does everything for you. It's gonna create a really detailed article that you, even yourself, you're gonna want to read it to learn more about HumanPal. Even if you know everything about HumanPal AI version 2, this article, it's gonna be so interesting and so detailed that you're gonna love reading and reading again and again. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, but I'm gonna just wait a couple of seconds, because it really takes seconds to this amazing tool to create an amazing article. I want you to just to see the result, and then to finish this video, because Katteb is an amazing tool, and trust me, you're gonna love using it, and you're gonna love creating amazing content and interesting content, because it is focused to concise and factual articles. Okay, it's trying to avoid this thing that happens usually with AI, and these illusions that it has, because when you write a long article, many times AI is not able to focus to one subject. It just you just read, and you feel like you're reading about something else. This tool creates a video that is not only concise and really interesting, but the point is that it gives you the ability to convert these articles to to traffic. You see that it has already created the article. I'm gonna click view article just to see how amazing it is, and in fact it has already sent this article to my WordPress website. You see, I have the full article over here. It's really, really interesting. You see, it's amazing how many details and everything it created over here, and it created even this you see this table with the features of each package that Polpona is providing with HumanPal AI. Okay, to the official website. It's really amazing, really amazing. You're gonna see that I keep reading over here, but it's really, really amazing. I want you to have a look to my description, and if you enjoyed the video, to click like and subscribe to my channel. You're gonna see a lot of these interesting videos, and you're gonna meet a lot of AI tools that they're really they're really worth your time and every penny that you're gonna spend about them. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.